Hey guys, another quick video for the Pilots in Japan playlist. Thought someone might be interested in this. How many airfields in the world are there where you can see an active volcano? That's Mount Ontake. It's not terribly active at the moment, but it did explode a couple of years ago and actually killed some people. So we flew over that once before and showed you that volcano close up. There's a little bit of black smoke coming out of it. You can't really see it with the camera, but just a little bit of black smoke was coming out this day. So active volcano over there. The self-defense force over there with lots of aircraft, and then over here a castle. So this is Komaki Airport in Nagoya in central Japan. We fly from here now and again, and just today, because it was such a clear day, we were commenting on this. How cool is that? We've got an active volcano over there, a castle over there, all sorts of interesting helicopters and aircraft flying and coming and going. And then the Kawasaki T4s from the Japanese Blue Impulse aerobatic team decided to take off. So it's going to be a little bit noisy, no narration. Check this out. Pretty interesting place to fly from, isn't it? Anyway, there it was. More videos coming soon.